Hi, everybody. Welcome to a new place for the trains in Troy, Ohio, on the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad.
This is my first time visiting here,
Recording trains, and I hope you like them. Please share and the video with everybody and all around the world.
Oh yes, it's coming. Beautiful place, everybody. We just heard that.
It's a beautiful place in here, and we just heard a train.
I saw this shining. I saw something shining and down the ground of the bushes. Look, see?
Uh,
The bushes. But maybe I'm wrong. Oh, look at the guy
mm-hmm.
walking through it. I think he recording trains too. I think he come from there.
We got a train coming. Check it out.
Yes. This is our first time recording here.
And again, this is the first time recording here, Troy, Ohio.
It's moving back, okay? And say it if you see me shaking the video,
If you see me shaking the video,
that's because I'm waving to the operator.
that's because I'm waving to the operator, and here it comes.
We're moving.
Here it comes. Yippee! Ha ha ha!
Yes. Turn around. Show the cat.
There go the gates.
Oh, Intermodal. It's an Intermodal.
Nice.
Here we go.
Horn salute. Yippee! Ha ha ha! Yeah! Wow! Yippee! Yep. Yeah.
That's awesome.
So awesome! Yippee! Yep, this has got to be the one of the biggest trains yet. Wow.
Lucky Sunday.
Yep. Thanks to Buckeye Freight Railin. Wow.
Yes. Uh-huh.
This train travels to uh, Vandalia, Ohio, and after that, passing through downtown Dayton, Ohio, also passing through Miamisburg, Ohio, and then, uh, yep, in Springboro, uh, Miamisburg, and and Carlisle, and then Glendale, and then to Cincinnati, Ohio. All right, see you next time, everybody. Bye.
Share the video with everybody, please. Thank you.